Career Services is the department that helps our students get ready for success, get them ready for the field. And what I do in my department is I train our students in building their resumes, getting ready for the interviews, and getting them or helping them trained on how to present themselves when they talk to the interviewers, how to make a connection to the employers. Our job is to make sure that our students are successful in their field. Even prior to the graduation, we already are making sure that they are ready for that. And not only that, we don't leave them out. So even if they're already on the job, we make follow-ups with them. We're making sure that our students are ready for the workforce. And so far, we have really good feedbacks from the employers, and even our own employers in the community. They give out our name to other employers, like, hey, you can call Ayers and ask for HVAC, MA, or pharmacy technicians. My job is like the bridge between the students and the employers.